New watch unboxing alert. This is actually the first time I've done an unboxing on camera, so this should be interesting. But this just arrived today. I guess before I get started on that, I should do a wrist check. So today, I've got the Islander Random Rob collab that I received yesterday. So this is kind of a crazy week. 2 new watches. But let's get into this other one and see what it is. Which I know what it is, and momentarily the rest of you will know what it is. Maybe. Whoop. Yep. Helps you do it the right way. Bum, 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 bum. More stuff in the bottom. And here we go. Another Random Rob collab. This one with Christopher Ward. So this is something that Rob had been working on for over a year, I think, or about a year, and then offered up to his Discord members back late last year, I guess about December. We placed the orders with Christopher Ward, and it just arrived today. We got paperwork. Whoops. You might already know what the watch is now based on that. Get that out of the way. And here we go. A Random Rob orange C60 Trident. Let's figure out where the edge is. And Rob, if you're watching this, I'd just like to point out that I found the edge of the plastic a lot faster than you do. No pressure. All right. Here we go. That is a beautiful orange. Excellent bezel action, as is to be expected with Christopher Ward. Blacked out date wheel. On the back, got the Random Rob logo. So there we go. Gonna take some time to get it sized up, and then I'll post another video later on with my review of it. But if you're familiar with the C60 Trident from Christopher Ward, that's what we've got here. Although I can't keep it on the camera. All right, thanks guys.